lesson, that is subtopic 2.3, Treaty of Vienna 1815. So when the Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815 uh, by the combined forces of Russia, Austria, Prussia and Great Britain, who were ruled by their own monarchs and who wanted the old monarchical system should be re-established in European continent, and the new system that was started by the liberal nationalists should be abolished, that is republican form of government, because they wanted that the monarch should have all the powers, and they wanted to rule by repression, and they do not wanted that the cities that the people living in that country should have any political rights. So they when the war was over, that is the Battle of Waterloo, after the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte, then all these victorious countries, they met at Vienna, and it was hosted by the Duke Metternich of Austria. The all the countries that collectively defeated Napoleon Bonaparte met at Vienna to draw up a settlement. Now you know that when the war is over, then the countries that have emerged as victorious, they only decide what to do the next, and the defeated country had to bear the war repressions. War repressions means that all the cost that has incurred in the war has to be bear by the defeated country, or you can it is also known as war indemnity. The congress was hosted by Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. The delegates means who were attending the meeting, the conference, they are known as delegates, agreed to certain points, that is undoing of changes made by Napoleon Bonaparte. Even though they have defeated Napoleon Bonaparte, because according to them Napoleon Bonaparte was becoming very powerful, and it was a danger for all these countries who were ruled by the monarchs, because he wanted big powerful nations, and for this he was conquering other nations and annexing it into its own empire. But they were all agreed with the reforms, administrative reforms that he has introduced in his empire as well as his conquered territories, that is the Napoleonic Code or the Civil Code of 1804, in which he has introduced uniform policies of taxation, uniform measurement and weights, medium of exchange, so one currency and one language for one nation, for the purpose of unification. So they thought of undoing it. Undoing it means that they said that whatever reforms were introduced by the Napoleon Bonaparte, it should go on, and no further changes will be done in the Napoleonic Code, because they, according to them, it was beneficial for them, because they were autocrats and they wanted that the uniform system of law should be made by the central authority, so all over the country, and no different laws should be made in different states, means they were reluctant to share their power with the states, so they also were favoring the uniform system of law and taxation, which was introduced by the central authority, and at that time central authority was the king. Kingdoms of Netherlands. Now next was first this a series of states were set up, not sorry. Fine. The delegates agreed to certain points of undoing of changes made by Napoleon Bonaparte. Means the Napoleonic Code was still they said that it should go on because it was beneficial for them. Second was the Bourbon dynasty, which was deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power. Means during the French Revolution, the king, that is the Louis XVI, he belonged to Bourbon dynasty, and he and his family was executed during the French Revolution, and the power came into the hands of the rich propertied persons of the third estate, who declared themselves as the members of the National Assembly and formed a provisional government, a republican government. But when Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated by the combined forces, who were all conservatives, they again re-established the monarchical form of government in France by again re-establishing the Bourbon dynasty, who was also a puppet king of these all four conservatives' power. Then, third was a series of states were set up on the boundaries to keep an eye